fresh cases of COVID-19, the new variant, of course, and the active cases in our country at the moment. Let's talk all about it. India is seeing a sudden resurgence in COVID-19 cases with new infections reported from the national capital, Haryana, Kerala, Karnataka, as well as Andhra Pradesh. According to Union Health Ministry data, there is 257 active cases at the moment in our country. Delhi NCR has reported 27 COVID-19 cases as national tally also sees an uptick. Of the total number of positive cases, 23 were reported here in the national capital. Now, Delhi government has issued an advisory in view of the recent increase in COVID-19 cases. It has advised to ensure hospital preparedness in terms of availability of beds, oxygen, antibiotics and other drugs and vaccines. In Uttar Pradesh, 4 new COVID cases have been reported from Ghaziabad. Haryana has recorded 4 mild cases till now, all of whom are also now under the home isolation. Post that from Karnataka, it has been reported that there are 35 active COVID-19 cases, of which 32 are from Bengaluru. 3 babies have been tested COVID positive in Bengaluru, including a 9-month-old baby. Now shifting focus to Andhra Pradesh, that reported 4 new cases, of which 3 are from Visakhapatnam and 1 from Kadapa. Then talking about Kerala, it also continues to be the most affected as it has recorded 273 cases in the month of May itself. Kerala, in fact, currently reports the highest number of active cases at the moment, that stands at a tally of 69. Now, while the situation is currently under control, health departments are urging the people to be alert and abide with safety protocols. Meanwhile, Kerala state health authorities have issued fresh guidelines urging mask use and also caution, especially among the vulnerable groups. The Karnataka Department of Health and Family Welfare on Friday issued a fresh advisory which states that vulnerable groups, including pregnant women, children, individuals with weakened immune systems, and also those with pre-existing health conditions, wear face masks in crowded areas. Speaking about the state of Andhra Pradesh, the Department of Health, Medical Education and Family Welfare has now issued a set of guidelines for the state, one of which asks the public to wear a mask compulsorily in crowded places and also while you are on move, while you are in transit.